In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically clear Google Chrome browsing data using a simple extension called Auto History Wipe. This is a really useful setup if you want Chrome to clean up your browsing history without having to do it manually every time. It can help keep your browser neat, reduce clutter, and save you time if you prefer a more private browsing routine. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu for Chrome and it gives you access to settings, tools, and extensions. After that, hover over extensions. A small menu will appear and from there click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome Web Store where you can search for and install browser extensions safely. Now, in the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Auto History Wipe and look for the extension in the results. Make sure you select the correct extension so you install the right tool for the job. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to install the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to continue. After a few seconds, the extension will finish installing and will be added to your browser. Now, look back to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions puzzle icon. This opens the list of all your installed extensions. Find Auto History Wipe in the list and click it. When the extension opens, you'll see the option to clean now. Click Clean Now to immediately clear the browsing data based on the extension settings. This is the key step that makes the process automatic and fast because once it's installed, you can trigger the cleanup whenever you want without going through Chrome's full manual clear data menu. If you want to keep your browser tidy, this is a great tool to have ready in your extensions list. And that's it. You've now learned how to automatically clear Google Chrome browsing data using Auto History Wipe. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.